Hi, good morning. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah, I can hear you. Good
Okay,
morning.
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. Thank you so much for asking. You're Arushi, right?
Yeah, Arushi.
Okay.
And you're
Hi,
Vivek.
Arushi. Yeah, I am. Very nice to meet you.
Same here.
Okay. Yeah. So, welcome to your clapping go session.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, simple things. If I'm speaking fast or my volume is too low, too high, please tell me. Please stop me. Ask me to,
Yeah.
explain myself. Completely okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Please don't call me sir, even by accident. My name is Vivek, so please call me Vivek.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And feedback is fine, right, Arushi? If I feel that you're making any
Yeah.
mistakes or something.
Feedback is fine. You can even correct me, even after sentence or in between the conversation. I don't mind.
All right. Perfect. Okay. Great.
Yeah.
So this is your eighth session, if I'm not wrong.
Eighth or ninth. I'm also not sure.
Okay. No problem. Have you been through today's session document?
Yes, I think it is celebrities.
Yeah. Okay. Just
Celebrity,
wanted to
right?
make
Yeah.
sure that we have the same one because sometimes it gets mixed up. Okay. So celebrities is fine. We can speak about celebrities.
Yeah, we can speak. I don't mind. I don't.
All right.
I think
Great.
it's
Okay.
fine.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me before we start, or can we start?
No, I don't have any questions. If I just wanted to ask, like, where are you from?
Okay. So I'm from Kerala, basically. Like I'm based in
Mm-hmm.
Kerala, but right now I stay in Mumbai. I stay with my family. So I've stayed in Mumbai for the past 10 years or so. Okay.
Oh wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Okay. You're from Nagpur, right?
Yes, I'm from Nagpur.
You've always stayed in Nagpur, or have you recently
Yeah,
shifted? Or
always. No, always stayed in Nagpur. Actually, born and brought up in Nagpur. For a few years, I have been in Pune, but now I have shifted to Nagpur again.
okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's get to the session.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine. So yeah, just start off with a basic thing. What is your opinion on celebrities in general? Do you like them? Not like them?
Celebrities, yeah, of course, I like them. Like, who don't like celebrities? I mean, they have like very what should I say? Luxurious life. They have all the attention from everyone, and they can get whatever they want. So yeah, of course, I like celebrities.
Okay. So you did say about luxurious lives, getting whatever they want, having a lot of money and let's say power, so to speak, basically. So
Yeah.
in spite of that, quite a lot of them, come out and say that, they are not quite happy with the way they have their lives. So I think a couple of notable examples, Deepika Padukone, I think had come out a few years ago saying that, she was depressed in spite of all the fame and success. Sushant Singh Rajput, I think, is another unfortunate case of
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
similar.
Yeah.
So why do you think that is? Like, in spite of having everything that someone could want, why do you think they would be unhappy?
Because as a common people, we can only see that their power and their money, their good, I mean, their good things, whatever they have. But we cannot find whatever is going on in their personal life, right? And maybe that is the reason they are depressed, or they may have committed suicide or anything like that. Because everyone has their personal life and their professional life. And as an actor, as a celebrity, they are also having their personal, professional, both the lives. We know them only by their professional life. So
Okay,
that's why.
so
As we say that everything has their pros and cons, so being a celebrity has also same thing, I think.
okay, so what do you think are the cons then of being a celebrity? You listed out the pros, so what about the
uh
cons?
Cons, yeah, they don't have, I mean, they cannot live their personal life freely, as we can live, being a common people. They cannot live their personal life as free as we can.
Okay,
And the other thing is that they always have to be cautious, and they should have bodyguard with them. They cannot eat outside freely as we can eat. They cannot eat street food, something like that. If 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 they eat street food or like simple thing, it becomes a headline next day. So maybe that's why their life is like, you know a sen- what should I say?
So they
People,
don't have privacy,
not,
basically.
yeah, exactly. They don't have privacy, and not people. Media is always looking for something like small thing happens to them, and they can bigger and they can uh,
Make a big
create big
issue out
issue
of it.
out of, yeah,
Correct.
make a big
Okay.
issue out of it. So yeah,
Okay. Fine.
that's the
So, do you think the media is right in doing that, in sensationalizing every little aspect of a celebrity's life? Do you think they're wrong or they're right?
I think media is doing their job when they are publishing content related to the professional life. It's their work. But when it comes to personal life, they are also human beings. They have rights to live their personal life the way they want to. So I don't think like you know what should I say?
They should
Every
interfere too
time,
much in.
yeah, every time interfere in their personal life, or just you know always like what are they doing in their personal life, their babies, their spouse and all, their personal life, their family. I don't think it is necessary. And just because media is showing, people are getting much interested in their personal life. If it's not revealed to the common people, they won't be, I think, interested. If it's
Okay.
not revealed at the initial stage or at the first stage, they won't be more interested knowing their personal life. That's what I think.
Okay. So you think it is more of a, it is more because media is doing that people are interested. It's not vice versa. You don't think?
Uh, yeah, because through media only people get to know small things about their personal life. If media won't reveal such things, people won't like if they reveal about their spouse, then common people would also want to know about their child and their kids and all the things like what they eat and where they go and all these things. So
Okay.
I think
So
media is the mediator and they are the only reason.
so you think media is evil?
No, no, not at all. Media is very important, and I think same fault. I I think common people are also responsible. I think they should not bother about the celebrities' personal life because it's none of our business. They are also common people like us, so they should have right to live their life the way what they want to. So I don't think they
Okay.
should have much interested. But people in India are very much interested in celebrities' life. That's what I think.
Okay. India, yes, definitely, but I don't think it is just an Indian phenomenon. I don't know if you're aware of these Kardashians from the United States. There's this Kim Kardashian, and there's this whole family of. They're literally nobody, but they make a big deal out of publicizing their personal life. So what I want to ask is, if that is the case, then why do you think a lot of these social media profiles of these celebrities are open to the public? Because if you see most of these cricketers or actors or any other celebrities, so to speak, any famous people, they keep the profile open so anybody can go and access it without following it. I think, like, if you and I have, say, an Instagram profile, it will probably be locked or private. Only people we know we accept the requests
Yeah,
from,
yeah, right,
but
right.
they keep it open, right? So they keep their personal photos there. So do you think they want the attention, or what do you think?
Yeah, of course, I think that they want the attention when it's not too much for them, and when it becomes too much, or it's like when it's getting to their nerves, then they think that no, don't interfere in my personal life. That's what celebrity does, I think. They
Okay.
also want attention. That is the reason they keep their profile public and
Open.
share their photos with family and all the things.
Okay, so you think they should, like, there should be a line, like, to an extent it can be public, but beyond that they need their own personal space. That's what you feel.
Yeah, what I think is if they want to influence people or if they want attention as a celebrity, then they should have, limited to the professional life only. They should not make people curious to know about their personal life because the thing is they are uploading photos with their families, what are they eating, their pets, their house and all these things, and that's the reason people are getting more and more curious to know what else, what next. So yeah,
Okay.
people, common people, media, celebrities, both are equally involved in this thing, I think.
Okay. Okay. So, fine, fair enough. So, what about, a lot of people, especially like because of Corona outbreak in the past couple of years, they publicize, or, they share a lot of these charitable events that they do. So, I think a notable example would be Sonu Sood, who is doing that quite openly, that, he's helping out a lot of people. So, do you think that that kind of activity should be kept private, or do you think they should share it? What do you think?
Okay, I think they should share it because you know every celebrity is not doing that, as we can
Yeah.
see, as I
Yeah.
have observed in past 1 year. Every
Yeah.
celebrity is not doing that. So at least by looking to the particular celebrity or by inspiring from them, he can also do the initiative because he has the power. He or she, I mean, they have the power. They are financially strong. They can help people. They have medium to reach out to people. So yeah, I think they should do it publicly. Yeah,
Okay.
I
So,
don't think it's wrong.
you don't think it's a publicity stunt when some people do it?
Okay, so here also, if someone is doing it at the first time, or like taking a camera with themselves and helping people, like distributing what should I say, ration kits and all, then this is kind of, actually when it's a media stunt or publicity stunt, we can see that if people are smart enough. And
Okay.
if not, like in case of Sonu Sood, I don't think it's a media stunt, because if he's helping people, I mean, we can feel that, yeah, it is, he is actually helping people out. That is
Okay.
not a publicity stunt. I cannot give an example who are doing publicity stunt, but
Yeah,
yeah,
that's going to get a little political, because these are recorded
exactly,
sessions. Just in case it gets out, we'll
hmm,
both be in trouble. So let's not go there.
exactly, yeah.
Okay. Fine. All right. Fine. So we've spoken about their lives, their public lives. So what, according to you, are the ideal qualities that a celebrity should possess? How should someone be?
Okay, ideal qualities. Okay, as we discussed earlier, they should keep their personal life personal. They should not keep it private or sorry, they should not keep it public,
Okay, they
right?
should keep it private. Hmm.
They should keep it private. And the thing is that they should influence people for the right things only, because people are admiring them and get inspired from them as well. So they should do things uh, keeping people in mind, I think.
Okay. Okay. So instead of
That
just the financial gains that they could possibly get from these endorsements and things like that, they should keep, social good in mind rather than the financial gains. That's what you're trying to say, right?
Yeah, because here we think, I mean, most of the people think that celebrities are god. I mean,
Gotcha.
they are like, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's commonly happened. That's why.
That's that's true. So do you think we give them too much attention? Is that our fault?
Yes, I think so. If we mind our own business, no, they won't be in trouble. Actually, they won't be in trouble, and celebrities are like, I don't like, won't be like most important thing, because every common people, they are also doing their job, but the thing is, we are giving them too much attention, and that is the reason they are like, their profession is makes them celebrity and
Okay.
all.
So you said they don't deserve the kind of attention that
I,
they
I
get
I didn't say they don't deserve, but I
as
think that
much as
we are,
much as they.
yeah, we are giving them more than they deserve. That's
Okay,
what I want.
fair enough. Fair enough. So who deserves it more? Who deserves the attention?
Uh, okay, so I think who deserves more is social workers who are actually working for common people, who are working
Okay.
for people who are in need. I think real heroes need more attention than the celebrities and and the actors who are working as a hero in movies and shows.
Okay.
I think
So
real heroes deserve
people
more
who
attention.
actually inspire and lead by
Yes,
example in day-to-day life deserve more attention.
yes, and
Okay.
actually media also
Yeah.
gives them more attention, and share their stories more rather than sharing the stories of celebrities.
Okay, fine. So, what can you think of an example of someone who has influenced, you in that way, or who you actually think is a very admirable figure in that way? Somebody outside of a celebrity.
Okay, somebody outside of a celebrity. Yeah, of course. I think that, I mean, businessmen, businessmen are also like doing great things. Media should cover them as well, so that people get inspired from them. And when it comes to social things and all, I think, I don't know anyone personally, but there are lots of people we get to know about social media. Sometimes social media in the sense Facebook and Instagram, we
Okay.
get to know them. So yeah.
Okay. So I think Tata Group is one of the front runners when it comes to these kind of charitable contributions. So I think that could
Exactly.
be an example that you can list. Okay,
Yeah, exactly.
fine. So we are almost coming to the end of the session. So anything you would like to ask, add before I get to the feedback?
No, no, I want you to give me feedback first.
Okay, okay, okay. So basically, you're speaking very well. You are not having to think too much to express what you're trying to say. So that is a plus point. You're not filling in with a lot of fillers. This one
Okay.
thing that you tend to say and all that quite a lot. Okay, so I think it's like you're trying to finish off with like how we write etc in our question
Okay.
papers and answer sheets. So you tend to be using and all that quite a lot. So if you can't think of more examples, just end it there. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Don't say and all that quite a lot. It seems like you are out of ideas. So it like here it's okay because this is just a casual conversation. But if at all you're giving like a professional presentation or something, it looks very what shall I say? It looks very amateur. So try and avoid saying and all that. So and so on, or just try and come up with alternative ways of saying it. So you tend to be saying that quite a lot. Like if you go back and see the recording of the session, you will be able to notice it. Just a small thing. Couple of other things though. You get inspired by someone. Okay, you said inspired from. So you get inspired by someone. So you
Inspired
can
by.
be inspired by, yeah. So please make a note of that. That is one thing. Businessmen, by the way. So man is singular and men is plural. Men's is not a word. Okay, the only time men's come in is men apostrophe s. So when you say men's washroom, so that means belonging to man. In that way, men apostrophe s you can say, but otherwise men's is not a word. It's man, men, and woman, WOMAN, and women,
Women.
WOMEN. Okay, so there's no
Okay, so you
women's,
mean
there's no
that
men's.
men is a plural form of man?
One man, two men, 200 men, 300 men, whatever number of men. One is man and more than one is men. There is no men's. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
so wherever man comes, so humans, whatever. Businessman, I think you said businessmen's one or two times. So just wanted you to make a note of that.
Businessman. Yeah.
Okay, though that is it. Try and just have a sentence structure also. Like sometimes what happens is we don't know where your sentence is starting and where it's ending. So it tends to happen because we are thinking as we speak. So just try and work on that aspect a little bit as well.